Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a super cool and practical project. Building your very own solar water heater. It's a fantastic way to harness the incredible power of the sun, saving energy and being a little eco-friendly in the process. Plus, it's surprisingly easy to build, making it a perfect weekend project. So, what exactly will we need for this exciting endeavor? First and foremost, we'll require a standard garden hose. Next, we'll need some wood for constructing the frame, which will house our heating system. Then, we'll use a black painted background, think plywood, or even sturdy cardboard to absorb as much solar energy as possible. And of course, you'll need a few basic tools to put everything together. Now, let's get started and build the frame. You can really customize this part, building it to any size that suits your needs. But for this project, we're aiming for something that can hold a decent amount of hose. Measure and cut the wood pieces to the desired length and width, making sure they are uniform and suitable for your chosen hose length. Next, it's time to assemble the frame. You can use screws, nails, or any other appropriate fasteners you have on hand. The important thing is that it needs to be sturdy, enough to securely hold all the components together. Ensure that the frame is square and stable before proceeding. Now, let's get that black background ready. Paint it with a flat black paint. This is an absolutely crucial step because black surfaces are exceptional at absorbing heat, converting the sun's rays into thermal energy. Let the paint dry completely. This is an important step for the efficiency of your solar heater. After the paint has dried, carefully attach the black background to the frame. Secure it tightly to prevent any gaps that could reduce efficiency. Now, for the star of the show, the garden hose. We'll be coiling it inside the frame. Start coiling the hose neatly within the frame, ensuring that the coils are relatively close together. This maximizes the surface area exposed to the sun, allowing for optimal heat absorption. Be careful not to kink the hose, as this will restrict water flow. Secure the hose with zip ties or tape, making sure that it stays firmly in place. This will prevent the hose from shifting or coming undone. Remember to leave an inlet and outlet for the water, which will facilitate the water's flow through the system. Next, we need to connect the hose to a reliable water source. We'll run the inlet hose to a tap or a water tank. Make sure the connection is secure to prevent any leaks. The outlet hose will be where the heated water exits the system. If you're using a tap, ensure you can regulate the water flow to control the heating process. Finally, position your solar water heater in a sunny spot. Ideally, angle it towards the sun for maximum exposure throughout the day. This strategic placement is key to optimizing solar energy absorption. Now, let's get to the fun and exciting part, testing it out. Turn on the water and let it flow slowly through the system. After about an hour, carefully check the temperature of the water at both the inlet and outlet. You should notice a significant difference. The water coming out of the outlet should be noticeably warmer than the water entering through the inlet. On a typical sunny day, you can expect to see a good, consistent temperature increase. The sun's radiant energy is absorbed by the black background, which, in turn, heats the water as it passes through the hose. And there you have it, your very own, handmade solar water heater. It's a fantastic educational project to teach kids and adults alike about the marvels of solar energy and the principles of renewable resources. You can further experiment by modifying hose lengths, frame sizes, and even adding insulation to see how it affects the water, temperature, and overall efficiency. This project is a great way to learn about renewable energy in a practical, hands-on way, fostering both knowledge and environmental consciousness. Have fun building, experimenting, and enjoying the benefits of harnessing the sun's power.